The most awaited S24 series are out and we have our hands on them. Let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm Alia and you're watching The Epic Crafter. This is getting so exciting. You guys might be wondering which color we have got. Actually, the S24 series have been released in 3 different sizes, that is the S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. And there were many different colors options you can choose from, but we got the titanium black. So there's this device and also the case that came along with it. Without waiting any further, we are going to just unbox it right now. That's so pretty, don't you guys think? It's even fabulously stunning in the black color as well. The flagship devices from Samsung always have their stand. In terms of the design, in terms of any features I can say. It kind of feels sturdy in your hands like from the previous models. If we compare, they had the rounded display, the edge display, however this one has a flat screen. Okay, so we're just going to unbox the case as well and see how it looks along with it. Well, in my opinion, I think a clear silicone case would do well with this device. However, this one also prettier. We can switch that off later. Having a final look at the S Pen that is included, because I can say many of the times there are more changes in the S Pen features or maybe the camera features, and that's what is important to draw the attention to. Well, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed the new device unboxing as we enjoyed making it, and do not forget to like it as it keeps us motivated, and also don't forget to subscribe. We will meet you with a lot more content. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.